You see, welcome to London.
Jamaica.
Welcome to London. Grazie, Italy.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ghana.
Ghana.
Hello, welcome back to GhanaFunTube. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm in Leicester Square today. Today is 16th of July 2022. The weather is scorching, it's hot. I'm going to flip the camera and do some vlogging. So let's get to business. A few minutes ago, I was live streaming, but the network been really bad. So I have to end the live stream and actually start doing what I love best, which is vlogging, showing you guys how beautiful London look like. You know, the plan is to get a drink, but it's very busy. But I hope I can get a pint of a beer somewhere here. You know what? Let's try there to see if we can get a drink. It's always nice to sit somewhere and grab a drink, especially in the sun. Hiya, do you have a table for a drink? You don't do drinks only? Just a quick drink. Just a quick drink, just sitting here. No? Right, so no drinks here. Hopefully when we get to Brick Lane we can actually get some drinks. Yeah. Guys, that was a nice performance, man. I really love the performance, seriously. I was live streaming, but the network was really bad, so I have to end the live stream and actually do some vlog. You know what? So I was talking to these guys, they gave me a live performance. And if you watch the live stream, if you haven't watched it, please go back and watch the live stream. It was very energetic performance. They actually appreciate my live performance. I mean the live stream. So yeah, I'm in London today. It's amazing, enjoying the city. And then from here I'll get to Brick Lane. I'll show you guys how the new Elizabeth Lane look like. Yeah, so check the channel out, share on Facebook, tell a friend, tell a girlfriend, tell a sister, tell an ex to subscribe to GhanaFunTube today, you know. Yeah, we can showcase everything. Yeah, London is beautiful. The sun is perfect for the camera. Oh my god, you know, I love when it's sunny because my skin kind of glow, you know. I'm crazy, right? I don't have my microphone, so the sun might be a little bit funny, but it's all right. So I'm heading to Piccadilly Circus. Piccadilly is like a Times Square of New York. You know, they have all these big giant screens where they showcase all the adverts. Maybe I'll be on the Piccadilly Circus board one day. You know, GhanaFunTube in London, GhanaFunTube in China, GhanaFunTube everywhere. You never know. I might be on that board one day, you know, when we hit all the millions of subscribers, all the membership, when we get all the big jobs, we can be on the board, you know. We will be big, so we'll be part of the a million family, you know. Yeah, this is the London vibe, sorry. GhanaFunTube in London, you know. Let's get people to say welcome to London today, you know. Hello brother, what's up? Can you do me a favor? Can you tell me welcome to London?
Welcome to London.
You see, welcome to London.
Jamaica.
Welcome to London. Thank you, man. I like the energy. Thank you, man. You see, look, we got someone. Welcome to London. I'm enjoying London today. It is unbelievably hot, but it's all right. I'll drink a lot of water to keep the energy going.
Hey, my friend.
Hey, what's up?
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
I'm in London.
Hey.
What's your name?
Pedro.
Pedro. Where you from?
Italy.
Italy. Grazie, Italy.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ghana.
Ghana?
Ghana.
Ah, sei africano?
Africano.
Posso dire una cosa?
Africa.
Italy. Italy.
Aspetta, posso dire una cosa? Sembra Olaina.
Yeah.
Un chilo di gancio diretto da Ghana.
What you say? What you say, no?
Sembra Olaina.
What you say?
Like I'm similar to Olaina.
Olaina, are you rapping?
1 kilo of ganja is direct to Ghana. Sembra online, un chilo di ganci diretto dal Ghana. Perdi la testa per una puttana.
You don't need to translate because he's singing something that, you know what, I think it's profane, so I think we have to check what that is. Italy! Italy! Italy!
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bye bye, my friends. See you
Thank
later.
you, man, thank you.
Good life.
Thank you.
YouTube, on YouTube.
YouTube. Oh, good.
Sembra online.
Nice camera. Is it Z10?
Yes.
This nice one. Thank you. You vlogging, yeah?
Yes.
Walking video?
Yeah.
I'll check your channel. So while I was vlogging, I met 4K walking. 4K walking. He's just walking around here. So if you want to check his channel out, what he does is he does a lot of walking videos. So if you want to see a lot of London content, check 4K vlogging. You can see whether you decide whether you want to watch his content or not, you know, because you see a lot of content from London from walking videos. This is Piccadilly right now down there. That's Regent Street.
Because he lived for me. Jesus Christ lived for me. I'm a born again, spirit-filled, Bible-believing Christian, the same as my brother. We know Christ. We know Jesus Christ. We're not ashamed to know him.
This is Piccadilly. This is a popular Piccadilly. Everybody comes, you know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a camera here so that we can actually enjoy this gorgeous view of Piccadilly. You know what? Let me put a camera this way, then I'll stand there and talk to you guys for a bit. Yeah, so this is Piccadilly right now. This is London. The time right now is 1 o'clock, 1 on the dot. Live from Leicester Square, Piccadilly, if you want to call it that way. Leicester Square is just down there though. Yeah, so let's continue vlogging. That's a nice pose, man. What's up? What's up? All right, so I'm heading to Regent Street now. Hopefully I can wrap up the video from here, then I can get the train or tube, and then probably get to Brick Lane. Then we can start showing some amazing content. I mean food content, you know, that's what I'm here for. Yeah, so this is Regent Street. I don't know if you can see me, but you know, it's quite a beautiful street. I've created so many videos, so many amazing content from here. So if you're watching, it's quite a good street. We actually had a dinner there at the Cafe Royal. Let me flip the camera so that you can see how beautiful the Cafe Royal is. It's actually called Cake and Bubble. So if you want to have a cake or bubble, you know, it's pretty good. The weather is so hot today, it's unbelievable. Yeah.
We've already had that one.
Now I had water in my backpack. That water was very, very cold when I refill it, but now it's very, very hot. So I'm looking for somewhere to sit, grab a drink, then I'll hop on the tube, then head to Brick Lane where I can grab some amazing food. Yeah, if you remember my London vlog, I stay here, I create amazing content from here. So if you haven't watched the video, click on here and watch the video from Cafe Concerto. Yeah, I think this place is a little bit calmer. Down there, it's like the energy was off the roof. I'm so tired, seriously. But you know, hopefully I can get a drink and continue vlogging. You know, I told you guys I want to return back to street vlogging, and I believe this is my first one, like vlogging on the street of the UK, and hopefully we can get to other destinations. Yeah, it's amazing day, amazing place. We're going to flip check down here to see what's down here, and then we can wrap up the video around here. Pommery champagne, oh my god, you know who doesn't like champagne? This Pommery, wow, beautiful. It's from France, Reims, France. Beautiful champagne, you know. If you watch my business class video, this is what it serves, Pommery. Yeah. I think that's incorrect. They serve us Nicolas Filet. Yeah, I don't know what this place is. It's part of. It's actually Vine Street. So we're in Vine Street. That's where I am. Oh wow! Look at the car, Bentley. Look at this Bentley. Very nice Bentley. Yeah. Guys, it's been amazing creating this content. I know it's not long, but you know, it's time to find something to eat, something to drink, and then create. You know, once I finish doing that, I'll have a lot of energy and create a lot of content for you guys to consume. Yeah, it's been amazing. It's been amazing creating this content for you guys. Yeah, until then, I'll say peace. See you in the next one. Kewa.